A very good morning and namaste to all. For the today's plan is very simple. I'm going to be home finishing what I did yesterday. So I'm going to edit those kind of work that I have. Most of the time in the afternoon I do a lot of editing work. Not related to my vlogs but the work that I do. Currently right now it's PTM, so school time. Later on at my school, and I don't know. Today's unplanned day, but yes, most of the time at home today because I have work along with Ira. So that's it. I want to speak. I want to do a lot of talking. Uh, I guess my vocals are very low towards how I'm talking to y'all. It's not reaching very loud. Uh, I need to increase my vocal pitch, so I know that. Besides that, anything that I need to do, besides my vocals, anything else that I need to do, please let me know in the comments. For now, breakfast.
Love me when love me when love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me.
This is what I was talking about yesterday. All the roads in Panjim, in fact in Goa, everywhere. I know some 2-3 spots in Santinez. They're gonna dug up and it's be chaos. Now since it's going to be December, Christmas and New Year, I advise you guys please. ये भसड़ है पूरा भसड़ मचा के छोड़ा. Christmas day and Ira needs some sandals, a particular one. Let us see if I find. There's something specific. Let us see if it fits because that's the reason we chose Saturday. Market day again.
Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me when love me when
Finished some shoot. The thing is that my shoots I can't show it because of certain reasons because it can't be leaked. So some in the afternoon is my shoot time and little bit of editing of vlogs. That's the only time. So my studio is on top on the first floor. So I have a small place, not a small, a big hall that I shoot. So done with my shoot. Ira was my assistant for today. And now since it's late in the evening by 6:30, now we are going out to Mapsa and gotta work with an architecture too. Yeah, but it is mine and your day, right? Father daughter's day, right? Yes. So half the work is done. Fine. So for today the half work is done. I need to finish with my editing for the shoot that I've done today. Gonna sit on top, select some pictures. Maybe the night finalize, and maybe the next day I have to start stacking and editing kind of a thing.
Yes, Mama.
So where we are going, Mira? Whose house?
Mommy's.
Nani's house. So a few time with Devika, Krupa, some good times with them. Let us surprise them. They don't know. I'm not told them they're coming. Okay. Fine. Let us do it. I'm gonna ring the bell. Come. Yes. Hi. 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 Yes. 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 चला cookie came cookies time. Wait. Wait. One at a time. Both I have to pamper. What doggy that? So now time to work. What? Yes. Yes. Say nicely. Yes. Both are jealous over here also. I'll play with you, huh? Sometime I have a lot of work. Not a pinch of work is done now. Going to pick up Aarti. Her counseling is done. Ira is still playing. And then for our dinner. Yeah, let's go. Come. Say bye.
Thank you.
Zhadu maar. What Zhadu maar you're doing, Ira?
Hakkar. You're welcome. Bye, beautiful. You're picking up Mama. Picking up Mama. Bye, beautiful. I love you. Say cookie bye. Yes, I'm going to keep it nice.
Ira, press the button. Press the button, we are going. Bye.
Bye, my beautiful. Bye. Yes, I'm closing the door. Bye bye.
Must yeah. Clip? Okay, wait. Clip. Her clip. Get the white kitchen a table over there.
Bye, baby. I love you. Give me a kiss. I love you. What? Bye also he can't say. Your phone. I love you with this. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Danny.
See what you eat, yeah.
Hello, Ada. Bye. Good night.
I'll do.
Thank you.
Welcome. Here, sit. Sit. Sit back. No, 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 no. I'm not a sleeper. No standing. You're on the highway. No, Babu, you sit back. You'll go sit properly. Out at Soul Curry with Papa and some dinner time.
डांस कर रही है और
Some nice dance show by Ira.
अच्छा हो गया अच्छा
क्या खाएगी?
स्कूल में कौन हिंदी बोलता है तेरे स्कूल में कौन हिंदी बोलता है स्कूल में कौन बोलता है हिंदी स्कूल में कौन हिंदी बोलता है हिंदी कोई बोलता है तेरा आँख किधर किधर है
मेरी तरफ मुझे भी दिखाओ
चल चल चल
वो सब मुझे ही दिखता है
It's late in the night. Finished food. Went for an ice cream. Went for a long drive. And now climbed her steps to burn my calories. I'm gonna have some chit chat with Papa. And time to sleep. See you tomorrow for another vlog. So tomorrow's Sunday's vlog will be all sorry. So for tomorrow's Sunday's vlog will be just another Sunday for everyone. But the fact part is there's a lot of things happening in Goa, a lot of event, and soon there will be IFI right now. That's and also not to forget From tomorrow, it's FIFA time and I'm gonna watch all the matches. I'm following Germany hardcore. What about you? Please tell me in the comment. And good night. Ciao.
Love me when